I think this is my first record right here. I don't know. I want to use this thing. He dropped it.
See?
Yeah, better. Okay, right there. One.
We're trying.
I'll give him more stick.
Oh,
Let's see what he does when he gets to the top. Does he just stop?
no, he reaches around for something to climb. See?
Oh, right there, yeah. Okay, maybe he found the fence.
He did.
We should make him a home, right?
Should we make him a home up there out of sticks?
I think let's just watch him climb. Let's see what we can see.
This guy's so cool.
Come
Let's see if
on,
we can spy
dude.
more.
You're Margie.
That guy is so cool.
These guys really found good spots.
I found another one! Right there, right there, right there. Right there.
In your hand.
Please emerge, please emerge.
I mean, 4 more cicadas. I mean, 3 more cicadas actually. Whoa!
Oh, please don't tell me. Oof, that was just a leaf.